Tired of constant weeding in your garden? Feel like you're spending more time fighting off pesky plants than enjoying the fruits of your labor? Well, we might just have the solution you've been waiting for. It's called the no-dig method, and it's taking the gardening world by storm. News outlets like Vice News have been buzzing about this innovative approach. Self-taught gardeners like Alessandro Vitale and Brian Briganti have been championing sustainable practices like the no-dig method. They've been sharing their experiences and tips, and the results are nothing short of impressive. So, what exactly is this no-dig method? In essence, it's an approach that eliminates the need for traditional tilling. Instead, layers of organic matter are added to the surface of the soil. These layers break down over time, enriching the soil and suppressing weeds. It's a win-win situation: less time spent weeding and more time enjoying your beautiful garden. But it's not just about reducing the weeding. The no-dig method also promotes healthier soil. Organic fertilizers, worm castings, and compost are just some of the additions that can boost your soil's health. And healthier soil means healthier plants. You might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, it's surprisingly simple. Start by covering your garden bed with a thick layer of newspaper or cardboard. Then, add your organic matter. This could be compost, aged manure, or even kitchen scraps. Over time, these layers will break down, feeding your soil and suppressing those pesky weeds. It's a game-changing method, and we want to hear from you. Have you tried the no-dig method in your garden? How are your plants responding? Share your experiences in the comments. This is an exciting time in gardening. Old methods are being questioned, and new methods like the no-dig approach are taking their place. It's a time of growth, innovation, and most importantly, less weeding. So why not give it a try? After all, the best garden is the one you enjoy tending to. And remember, the garden of tomorrow starts with the seeds you sow today. So get out there, try the no-dig method, and let's cultivate a greener future together.